What's up, everyone? So this is another LeetCode problem. Back once again. So this problem we'll be looking at is the longest substring without repeating characters. So given a string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So you can see it as the examples on the screen. I'm not gonna go deep into the examples. So you can see an input s, ABC, ABC, BB. So the output is 3. So the answer is ABC with a length of 3. They've got another input S which has 5 B's. Output is 1. So the answer is B with the length of 1. And yeah. So going into how I looked at this task. So we start with a pointer at the beginning of the string and a marks underscore L variable to keep track of the longest substring. We iterate through the string, and at each iteration we check if the current character is in the substring we've already seen. Then if it is, we update the marks underscore L variable if the current substring is longer than the previous max underscore L variable that we created. We then move the start pointer to the next character after the duplicate character. If the current character is not in the substring we've already seen, we move on to the next character. If we reach at the end of the string, we update the marks underscore L variable which we created in the first substring. If the first substring is longer than the previous marks underscore L, we return the marks underscore L variable. So that's what you're seeing when you put an input of like ABC, ABC, and BB. The output is 3 because you're getting the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So yeah. So I'll leave the link to the code on GitHub. I push the code on GitHub. So when you're looking at this challenge on LeetCode, you can use this solution that I came up with, and yeah, I mean it's pretty hectic. These mediums are really bit challenging, but I'll try to be consistent and moving on from the mediums. Down the road, get to the hard ones because those are the ones I enjoy because they're very challenging and they make you think a lot. And if I can get like a couple of ways to represent it, yeah, so be it. So yeah, man. So if you guys like the video, make sure to leave your feedback down in the comments on what programming language did you use to attack? Would you have used to attack this problem? Because I use Python 3, which is easier. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.